What's up guys, exciting day today. I have here all 6 colors of the new iPhone XR. So as usual, let's go ahead and do an unboxing real quick. Funny thing is, we show up at the Apple store today, there's like nobody there. We were literally the only customer, okay, like 1 out of like 5 customers maybe there. I expected more hype for this phone, but considering it didn't sell out for the longest time, you know, you could still buy it up until like a couple days ago on day 1. And in store, they still have a ton that haven't sold out. You know, expected more, but here they are, the iPhone XR in all 6 colors. Gotta say, I'm a fan of these 2, the coral and the blue colors. The rest pretty standard. Oh, the yellow I'm interested to see. So let's go down the line and take a look. So obviously I'm not gonna be using this as my daily phone, so I really didn't care about storage. They're all 64 gig. Here's that yellow color, and first impressions are actually quite good. So it is chunky. It's a bit heftier, thicker than other phones that I'm used to, the XS, but still it's a good size. That is a very big camera actually, and I love the lens. You know, I remember modeling this thing way before it was a thing, and now actually holding it, it's kind of cool. Very interesting. So, oh wow, that's quick. Yeah, it definitely has a lot more bezel going around it, more than the 10 series. So these side by side with the XS Max, you can definitely see that this one is a little bit more sleek looking, but still for a $750 phone, very premium looking, you know, for an Apple $750 phone that is. I like this color. It's like a muted yellow, very nice. Okay. And got that LCD, so I can't really tell anything about it yet. It's sharp looking, you know, it's 720p, but it's very hard to tell the difference just from this setup menu. All right, so there's that one. Pretty much just standard stuff inside, nothing special. All right, on to the blue. I mean, that's pretty cool. Gotta say, sometimes I really love my job. Get to unbox 6 brand new iPhones in a variety of colors. So this is basically like the iPhone 5C of 2018. And it's a nice strategy on Apple's end. They're gonna be sticking with it for a while. And wow, gotta say I love this blue. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the blue on the BMW M3. Very similar shade. So if any of you guys have that specific color, this is the one for you. Wow. And I love how they color match the lenses too. Like, that is so neat. So just from a creative perspective, the colors on these, well done Apple. Like, I love the actual palettes they used. It's nothing like too vivid, but it's still popping. This is the product red, exact same shade as the iPhone 8 series. Very wonderful one, very great combo with the black screen on front. And I like that it still has the product red badging. Okay, so there's that. The black series. This, I don't think will be anything crazy special. Yeah, so literally the same space gray shade, maybe a little bit darker, of the iPhone 8 series. For someone that just doesn't want their phone to stand out too much, here we've got the silver. Safe choice, but very boring. And, oh yeah, the white back. Still pretty cool. It's not often we get a pure white iPhone. So that's neat there. And last one, the coral color. And I like how they match all the text to the colors. Okay. So this is like $5,000–6,000 worth of iPhones right here. It's pretty cool that I get to do this, honestly. But wow, this looks different in this lighting. It's almost like a pink. Dang, that's definitely these 2 and the yellow favorites, most colorful here. I could really see these things being popular if they were like $50 to $100 cheaper, but still. So I gotta say, it's more comfortable than I thought. It's not as wide. Still very capable. You're getting a large 6.1 inch display. If you're coming from a 4.7 inch iPhone 6, 7, 8 series, it's definitely going to be an upgrade for you. You're getting the full display here. still a notch, but more screen estate for you. It's like a happy medium between the XS and the XS Max. So very, very neat, very premium feeling. The aluminum definitely feels different than the stainless steel. It's a matte feeling, but very cool. Interesting placement for the SIM card here. All right, so there are these colors, and definitely gonna go for the blue if I were to use one personally. But well done, Apple. Much nicer in person, very nice color palette. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the test videos upcoming. Peace.